Hey everybody, we're here today with our Ready, Set, Renovate Pro, Michael Brown from Solar Ray right here in Orlando. And you are actually on an install today.
That's correct.
House right behind us. What's happening up there?
We're installing a 7.5 kilowatt system on this residence here today. It's going to get this house to a relative net zero as far as electricity is concerned. We did a calculation.
So obviously it feels like the sun could power all of these houses in this neighborhood.
It absolutely could. We have great roofs, we have great exposure. March has been a great month so far this month. We've had higher than usual production, so absolutely. Every house in this neighborhood could be powered by solar.
So you are one of the few people in Florida installing solar panels and bringing this technology to our community, but you're one of just a handful around the country as well.
You're referring to the certification. So
Yeah.
an organization that is basically the pinnacle or the certification and accreditation benchmark for the United States. And that's the North American Board of Certified Energy Practitioners, more commonly known as NABCEP. And there are 7 companies in the country that are accredited through that certification process. And we happen to be one of them and the only company in Florida that has reached that level of certification.